John Arter here at Treviso Realty. We're in Bonita. We're at the Solis Grande Pulte site. This is a townhouse community. Behind us here is the Adler, which is 816 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is going to be the larger of the two models. The adjacent model is the Rowan, which is 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. It's 1,657 square feet, but it's got a double car garage. So if you're looking for the square footage, let's take a look at the Adler. So this would have been a bathroom off the side. It's out of order. Break in. All right. So this is obviously set up for the model home right now. This is part of the garage. This is not going to look like this. Really. Let's keep it going. A little storage here. Oh, this is the bath. So this is the two-piece bathroom. So that's going to be access to the. I guess that's going to be closed clearly. Sorry, that's going to be a closed wall. Then this is going to be the two-piece bathroom because there's the access to the garage is back this way. So this is the floor plan here. Nice open concept. Clearly your kitchen is your main focus of the whole room. But also the family room is a great size as well. Glasses are killing me with the flash going. Yeah, so this is a little storage area. You're gonna have access to the garage here. So this is gonna be a single car garage. Obviously this wall won't be there because that's the makeshift bathroom clearly right now. And then the adjacent unit is a double car. So Pulte, nice quartz countertop. Obviously you're gonna be able to spec them out. See, that area should have something. I don't know if it's unfinished or just weird, right? It should have cabinets all across the top. It looks unfinished. Let's have a look at the lanai. Location's fantastic. We found out some information regarding this. This is your backyard, nice little chill spot. Location's great. You're 6 miles to the beach. They're right across the road. There's going to be a new upscale shopping center. It's called Mid-Rise, I believe. Was it Mid-Rise? I think so. Midtown rather. So it's gonna be Midtown across the road. So it's gonna be like sort of like a Coconut Point or Mercado. Smaller clearly, but it's gonna have stores, shops, and also apartments and hotels. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool, it's right across the road. All right. So this is just, see, this has got 3 minutes. You clicked right now. I'll have to click it again. So walk-in closet. This is a nice little room here. It's got a little niche where you can set up a desk if you need the area here, or how they have it with a chair for reading. But if you kind of look right across the road here, this empty parcel of land, that's where the Midtown shopping center is going to be located, which is quite cool. It's going to be really nice. Obviously, it's not as big as Coconut Point or Mercados, but I mean, it's right here, so that's great. And just the construction happening behind it is the apartments. Those are obviously going to be rentals, and I believe there's actual hotels on site as well. Let's keep it going. So another second bedroom here, so walk-in closet as well. This is a very narrow room. I guess you're going to stick your bed on one of these walls, and they didn't set it up that way because it is a narrow room. But yeah, you'd probably set the bed on this location here and probably come out, have just like a little bit of walking space. It is a little bit of an awkward room, rectangle. But that's why they probably gave you a big closet, so you don't have any furniture on the outside in the room itself. You'd have everything on this inside the room, so you'd have more space to walk around. But that's why they set it up as an office, clearly. This is going to be your mechanical room. Oh no, washer dryer. Okay, cool. Full bathroom here with a tub. This is going to be your mechanical room. Yeah, and this is your master suite. Yeah, good sized room. Great master closet here. and you're gonna have a private bathroom. Yeah, really cool. Good setup. These are going to be in the 400s, low to high 400s. There's deals here, so don't get discouraged by the pricing. There is deals to be had. They're having a blowout sale this week here in Pulte, just all their communities. So if you are looking for a property similar to this, let us know. Obviously, location's fantastic. Yeah, give us a call. We'd like to help you out.